Right everyone, I'm going to share with you how to use up your old bangles. Now I've got a couple here and I need to do something with them because they're not going in the landfill. I refuse to do things like that when I know I can use them. So I've taken a piece of hessian. It is a bit bigger there, but it's a piece left from what I did with the leaves. And what I'm going to do now is just draw around it, I think. You don't need that much, but you need enough to turn over. Oh, that doesn't show, Fee. Come on, mate. No, that won't either. Let's have a look at this one. So it's just basically to cut the circle. Like that. So I'm just going to trim that. Try not to let it fray. Right, I just needed a couple of bits as well. Oops. Okay, so we've got that. And I need this little bit of a hanger. I can cut it down when I'm ready. Okay, so now I'm just going to pop that on there. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to just trim a little bit. Actually, I'm going to glue it on first. Just pop that on like that to start with. That'll do, and then I can pull that back as I need to. Just pop it on like that, press that down. That's there to stay. And then I can trim around this a bit more. Okay. And I'm going to take my little smaller scissors and just do that around the edge. So this is just to hang. You can hang it in your window. Okay. So I'm just gonna now a bit more glue. Let me get my feet up. Oh. Okay, okay. So just gonna do it like that to start with. Same on the opposite side. I thought I cut that one. Tighten it up, pull it right in, tuck it into the actual rim. And I'm doing all four, and I know it's round, but you're doing all four sides first, because that will hold it in tight. Like that. I'm just filming! Raymond's just come back in. So, pull it in like that. Yes, please, but I'm just leave it on the stairs because I'm filming. Like that. when you've got three standing, you know, three like this, do the middle one and then overlap them. It does help. I'm not worried about these. I know it's Hessian and it'll pull over. It'll pull the bits out, but don't worry about them at all. And like I say, we have got this Hessian for sale at the moment. I'm just going to go around the edge. We're going to put a trim on it anyway. But I'm also going to back it. So this is where I want to add my ribbon. We do have this in the shop. It's seam binding. So I want a decent size one. Now what I do with mine is I overlap them. So I keep them straight like that and overlap them. And it hangs better. And then I'm just going to pop this. Let me just glue that again. And I'm just going to do that. So that's definitely going to hold no matter what. And I can trim them off. What I don't need. That's fine. And I love using these. That's slightly bigger. We'll do another one, I would imagine. So now what I'm going to do is to back that. And I have some, just any fabric will do. I've just got some of this. So all I'm going to do is put the glue on top. Pop that on like that. Trim that around. Be careful not to chop the ribbon off. Don't worry, I've done that many times. Okay, so, and then what you can do is where it's not caught properly, because the glue, this glue that I'm using really dries pretty quick, to be honest. So like that. Now we're going to put on some trimming, and I'm going to use this one, the cream one. Now I have got this out as well, because I may hang this at the bottom like that. Not sure yet. And I've got some of the tiny roses to use, plus one of those, because I want that in the middle, I think, just as a decoration. Yes, I like that. But I might want to put a frill around the edge yet. I'm not sure. Just a small one. I'm going to do all of this as well. So I'm just going to take that there to the middle. Like that. That's fine. I'm okay with that. So I've got that one or a smaller one. I may choose the smaller one because it's only a small piece. It's only a small project. So let's have a look. Now These are nice as gifts. You could do a Christmas bauble like this, and who's going to know it's a bangle? Does it matter if it is? No. So when you go into your charity shops, look for wooden bangles. They get rid of loads of them because nobody wears them anymore. You know, they don't like them anymore. So, now, let's just sort this out. That's got to sit in there somehow. Can we fit it in just? So I'm going to sit that in first and then sit that in there. Not bothered about it being at the top because we've got to still keep decorating it. Right, okay. You know what? I might just as well pop this. Let me just see. Nifty knife. Where's my nifty knives? So I'm going to have to get it straight on. Just do that. That'll do. I'm going to put some glossy accents around the edge. That's it. I'll just put a dot on each one of those around the frame. At the same time, I'll make sure I get this the right way around. Put that on, and that will hold it fast straight away. There you go, like that. Now that seems to be a little bit lopsided. I need to move that out a bit, I think. Let me just take this off here. Oh, it won't bloody come off. Like that. Well, you get the drift. It's a nice bauble. Now, did I want to put that on? Let me have a look. You know what? I'm going to put it on, but not where I was. Yeah, oh, I've put that wrong. Let me turn that around. Oh. Right. That has to hang like that. That's it. Let me get that right. Yeah, that's it. And that still sits in there like that. Like that. That's it. Little bauble. Hang in your window or whatever you want to do with it. That needs to be moved in a little bit, I think. Whoops. I don't know what acrylics they're using now, but the glues don't seem to stick to them. You know, with the acrylics. I'll go back in and drop some glossy accents around it, to be honest. Oh, hang on. I don't want to overdo it. I keep saying this, but I do want to try something. Now, I do have some of these little leaves. And I don't want the pink ones, but I do want green. So hang on. I'm just trying them. No, I'm leaving it as is. Don't like it. Don't like them with the leaves. Wrong leaves, unless the other ones will work. So we'll have to see. Let's get these little ones here again. I know it's covering up some of the bling, but hey ho, I want them in. I like them. Like that. This one looks odd. Let me take that out. I need to do that again. Yeah, that's better. It was too, it wasn't right. Let's have a look. That's it. Perfect. There you go. Okie dokie. So that's it. I'm thrilled with mine. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.